In this video, I show you how easy it is to use one of our printable party setups. Welcome to another video of Print a Party, the tutorials. First thing you do is head over to our website, printaparty.com, go to party event setups. In this video, I'm doing the hot cocoa bar, and you literally download it. Once you get it downloaded, you just print it on any color printer at home. The little 10 cards are very easy to cut out because the lines are right there for you. And once you cut them all out, some of our printables have 16, some have more. You literally just fold them in half and they stand up very beautifully. The only thing left for you to do is prepare your food. In this case, I'm doing the hot cocoa bar, so I'm using sprinkles, some marshmallows. I put it in ramekins. You could use mason jars, glasses, whatever you have on hand. After you have everything set up, you put the 10 cards in front of it and you literally display it. Each of our printables comes with a sign that fits in any 8 by 10 frame, and it just looks super beautiful. At your next event, you can use this at parties with family, friends, classrooms, and we have a lot of different options from hot dog bars, hot cocoa, holiday stuff, and Halloween. So thank you so much for watching, y'all. I hope you found this helpful. Take care, and please give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.